After my last couple reviews of some admittedly oversized watches, people have asked me to recommend something under 40mm. So today on my new series, Goodbye or Goodbye, we're going to be taking a look at the D5 Pacific Anacapa 39mm from the company Vaer. And we're going to see if this watch is in fact a goodbye or if we're going to say goodbye. So let's go. 39mm diameter, 48mm lug to lug, 13.7mm thick, powered by a premium Miyota 9015 with a 40-hour power reserve and a very smooth 28,800 bph sweep, 200-meter water resistance rating with a 2-year guaranteed waterproof warranty, and a sapphire crystal. This watch has awesome contrast. It's kind of vintagey in look and feel. The bright date wheel really pops and again gives it some really nice kind of fun contrast. It's a solid watch. It feels very wearable at a super manageable 39mm diameter, and we're getting some great lume here as well. The fact that you're getting these specs with this presentation, with this very wearable size, and a US assembly for under $1,000 brand new, I think it makes this watch a good buy. Let me know what you think in the comments section below.